Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today we will be looking at Polygon Matic. It's your boy Femi here, and so if you like the channel Crypto Femi, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and we would have a great time, right? The price for Matic today is 0.87 or 87 cents, and we could see Matic has declined by 8.9%, right? We're expecting this because Matic was about $1 at our last video, and we're expecting a huge price downwards for Matic. As we said in our last video, as you can see, we're around the $1 here, and we said we probably should expect a huge change in price towards the downward for Matic, right? For Polygon Matic. And we would be looking at the chart to explain and show us what Matic is going to be doing for the next couple of days, months, and even hours, right? So please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you like what you're going to see. Oh, so this is the first chart we have on Polygon Matic. So Polygon Matic had a huge bump up down to probably the 1.2 region, right? We saw Polygon Matic went high in price as a result of the partnership with Facebook, I think. Facebook or Google, right? I think it's Facebook, right? So Matic had a partnership with Facebook, and we could see the price jumped up a bit. But as we could see, we're still expecting lower prices for Matic, and we're trying to say don't FOMO, as we should still see Matic come down to lower prices. If we put up our indicators, right, our indicators showed us, right, why we should expect lower prices, as we could see that we're very oversold even on the stochastic, and probably we needed to cool down, right? And so we still needed to expect furthermore downward price action even for Matic. Same thing on the RSI, we should see Matic have further downward price action even on the RSI. So our indicators, right, confirming the fact that we should probably see furthermore downward price action even for Matic. If we switch over to the 3 days, same thing. Matic probably even at support at this period in time, but we expect this support to break, and probably we should see furthermore downward price action for Matic as seen on the weekly chart. If we pull up our indicators, everything saying downward, as you can see, right? As RSI is going down with a very huge velocity. Same thing with our stochastic. So probably we should expect more downward price pressure even for Matic. We should probably see Matic around the 0.45 cents, right? At least half of where it is now, 45 cents probably, because that huge inorganic pump, right, was shorted down or was sold down by the whales. So we should expect a more downward price pressure even for Polygon Matic. If we switch over to the daily gives us a lot more perspective. As you can see, it just looked like a pump and dump. We pumped, dumped, pumped, and we're dumping again, right? So I wouldn't short this, I wouldn't long this, because it looks like more like a lot of market makers and a lot of manipulation, right, going on this coin. So probably it's just something good to begin to dollar cost average even at the 0.67 cents levels. As we could see, RSI still have furthermore downward price action to go. Same thing on the stochastic. If we move over to these other charts, right, this is Matic on the weekly. Binance is the data source here. As we could see, exactly same thing, right? We're bearish right down from January, and we had a huge change in the price of Matic downwards. We had a huge pump in the price of Matic, and then we're seeing a huge downward price action. So probably we have a lot of liquidity at the 0.70 cents. So we should see Matic come back to the 70 cents level in the next few days, right? Same thing, we can see our oscillator is moving down, right? Money flow is saying money is leaving Matic. A lot of money is leaving Matic, right? For the money flow indicator. So we're seeing money flow leaving Matic, and so we should expect more downward price action even for Matic on the weekly. On the 3 days right time frame, we could see breaking support right? We have a huge support, same at 0.75 cents. So probably price, we should see price at that support in the next few days, right? And same thing, we could see our oscillator coming down, money flow coming down. So everything proves that we should still see Matic have further downward price action in the next few days. If we look at the daily gives us context as we are below the EMA ribbons, which is like a trend indicator and shows us what's happening on the trend. We have quite a huge support at the 0.83, another huge support at the 0.78. I wouldn't bank on it though, but because you can see the volume, quite increasing volume and quite decreasing volume. So a lot of things not right. As you can see, our oscillator is telling us probably we still have more downsides to go for Matic. And then our money indicator says money came in a bit, but money is leaving. So be very, very careful if you're gonna I wouldn't trade this, I wouldn't short this, and I wouldn't long this because there's a lot of manipulation as regards Matic. So you want to be careful with this coin and probably just dollar cost average. That's just the best if you are interested in Matic on Polygon Matic. Same thing as you can see confirming. We have huge supports at the 0.78 region. So probably we should see price magnet even to that region. Same thing, oscillators are saying we need to come down a bit. Money is leaving Matic. So just dollar cost average, right? Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes, right? So please do not take this as financial advice. So if you like the channel, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and have a great day.